Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about something that looks simple, but can easily go wrong: how to choose the correct firmware for your Android TV or TV stick. Many users often ask, can I upgrade my Android version by flashing firmware? Can I use firmware from the same product series? What if the chip model is the same? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's safe and what's not. Part 1. You cannot upgrade Android version through firmware. A lot of people think flashing new firmware can upgrade Android 11 to Android 12. Actually, that's wrong. The system version of Android TVs and TV sticks is fixed. You can't upgrade it like a smartphone. If you try to flash a higher version of Android firmware, you may end up with a black screen, a boot loop, or even a completely bricked device. So remember, firmware upgrade not equal Android system upgrade. You can only install different versions of the same system firmware. Part 2. Firmware from the same series is not interchangeable. Some users think, my device is from the same series as my friends, so the firmware should work, right? Wrong again. Even if they belong to the same product line, like the X96 series or H96 series, they might have different memory, Wi-Fi modules, or Bluetooth chips. That means the firmware for one model may not work on another, even within the same series. Mixing firmware between models can cause serious system errors, or even brick your device. Part 3. Firmware with the same chip is not universal. Here's another common mistake. People see the same chip, like S905W2 or H618, and assume the firmware is compatible. But even with the same chip, different manufacturers may design the mainboard, flash memory, and ports differently. The result: black screen, system crash, or complete hardware failure. In short, same chip not equal same firmware. Never flash firmware just because the chip model matches. Conclusion: let's review the key points. 1. Firmware cannot upgrade Android versions. 2. Firmware from the same product series cannot be mixed. 3. Firmware with the same chip cannot be shared. The only safe choice is to use firmware that exactly matches your device model. You may use an older or newer version, but the model must be 100% the same. Extra tip: if you are not sure about your model number, check the label on the bottom of your device, or look in the About section in Settings. Looking for official firmware. We recommend visiting the official Boxpert website. It includes most official firmware for AOSP Android TV boxes and TV stick, safe, reliable, and free to download. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need it. This is Boxpert. See you in our next video.